Now I've also oriented them with the bolts down because I can get to them just as easily that way. Plus I make sure that the bolts are down and flush and out of the way. You can see the logo face up too, which is kind of cool. Okay, so slide the boot back into place, put the charge cooler side on first, and then go ahead and slide up the charge pipe side, get it secure into place, and then this is pretty much all done. All right, so all done as you can tell. Now it's going to be really important no matter what car you use this guide for to measure accurately, get a good caliper, and send those measurements off to phase 2 before you order anything. Like I said, this is 2 1/4 and these are 2-inch. The 2 1/4 go on very cleanly. They're snugged down super tight. The 2 are very, very tight, so they're not flush. The band is not completely flush, but it's very, very close. So that looks really, really good. Everything is all secure there. So let's go ahead and check the air box and get that all done. All right, y'all, so as you can see, the plastic covers are back on, the strut bars are back on. All in all, this looks really, really good. I really like these clamps. I think they're going to do a far better job than the standard hose clamps. And then plus, you can get them in colors. So I really like that tie-in with the rest of the car. So go ahead and put your vanity cover back on, clean up your tools, and you're done. All right, y'all, so go ahead and clean up, put your tools away, and you can tell this is not a hard product at all. So thank you so much to Phase 2 Motor Trend for making such a fantastic product. I'm really excited to have these in my car, not only for stronger clamps, but they color match too, which is honestly really cool. Only takes a few simple tools, and everything you need will be listed in the video description below, including the links to these various products. I really want to stress buying a cheap digital caliper. It's a good way to make sure you have the right measurements. You don't order the wrong thing, have to send it back and all of that. You get the right sizes straight out of the gate.